Hey everyone, I'm your host Ryan, and today I want to show you a way to make your WordPress site or blog even better. I'm going to show you how to embed content on WordPress. But what is embedding? Embedding is the integration of links, images, videos, GIFs, and other content onto your own blog or site. In simplest terms, it's putting content from a different site onto your own site or blog. A common example is embedding a YouTube video so that it appears on your site or blog. That way, you don't have to post a link and expect the person viewing your site to click. You can have the video ready to play for them so they don't have to leave your page to view the information. Normally, to embed content to your website, you need to manually copy the HTML of the original link and paste it into the code of your site. Luckily, using WordPress, that process is made easier because they do all the heavy lifting for you. The first tool you'll need to get comfortable with on WordPress is the WordPress editor. The WordPress editor allows users to edit and control the layout of their pages and posts on their blog or site. The individual elements that you'll be editing are called blocks. Blocks are content elements, and each item that you add to your post or page is an example of a block. These blocks can be added to your pages and posts on your site or blog for any paragraph that you want to write, any image or video that you want to include, any audio that you want to share, and more. WordPress separates the blocks into categories. Common blocks like the ones I just listed, formatting blocks for code or HTML, layout elements like page breaks or columns, widgets like calendars and search functions, and finally, embeds. It's simple. You can add a block, move the elements in that block around, and easily create media-rich content. Every block you create has its own block menu. The little plus icon that sits next to each individual block will make the block menu appear. Using the block menu, you'll be able to choose what you want that block to be. There's a search bar in the menu that lets you manually search for different types of blocks, or you can choose from the most used or common blocks, choices given to you without even searching. This makes embedding as easy as clicking the Insert from URL button in the Embed menu. For example, if you select video as your block choice, you can choose to upload your own video from your own files, or you can use the Insert from URL button to easily embed the video of your choice. Of course, the URL has to be from one of the many sites that works with WordPress, like YouTube, Twitter, TikTok, Dailymotion, Reddit, and more. That is just how easy it is to embed content on your WordPress blog or site. Soon, you'll be able to edit how your pages and posts look and what's in each block with zero issues. Keep in mind, you can only embed content from a different site if WordPress has access to the HTML from that site. But don't worry, most of the sites and social media feeds that you'll want to embed are WordPress friendly, like YouTube for video, Spotify for audio, and Imager for images. Eventually, you'll be a master of the WordPress editor, a real block connoisseur.